So far, we discussed this online installation, right, on a Railbox. So with the help of the YUM utility, we are managing the packages in the Linux operating system. So people regularly coming with you and hi Linux team, hi Unix team. Okay, so kindly install the so on so package. So on so package on server. Server they will give host name or sometimes they will provide the IP address. So this is the request. Regards DevOps team. He is from the DevOps team. That's all. Okay. Then first what you need to do? First log in into the server. Okay. Then switch to the root user. Then find the package. That package whatever they given, right? Search with the package. What is the command to find, guys? Technically here. YUM list that package name. Okay. YUM list. Then here two scenarios. If package is available, if package is not available, package available means directly you can go and install the package. Okay, so what is the command to install? Am I audible? First of all, that's it. Yum install package name. This one. That's it. You can provide -y here itself. Then reply back to. Then again list the confirmation. Okay. Okay. So you can again do the YUM list. YUM list and package name. Okay. Then take the screenshot. Then reply back to user or requester. This is what we are following. When if the package is available state, in case sometimes the package won't available, then in this case revert back to or reply back to requester, ask him to arrange the package, sorry, arrange the package in central repo. That's it. Okay, so this is what. Now this package is not available in your remote repository. Okay, central repository. Fine. Then you can ask requester to, hey requester, the package is not available in our repository, so I am unable to find, so kindly arrange the package in the this repository, that remote repository. You can call it as a remote also. Then he will come up with some steps, because he wants to install that package, right? So he will come back again. Then he will inform, hi Linux team, configure the, hey Linux team. Okay, so hey Linux team, configure the external repo, then install that package. That's it. Fine. Now we will see how to configure. Okay, he will give only the details, so you have to go and configure that external repository. Okay, so what is the configuration file of the repositories? /etc yum dot repos dot d. Remember guys, configuration path, this is the configuration directory. So here you have file 1 dot repo, file 2 dot repo, like all repo configuration files. Okay, file 3 dot repo. Very good, Harish. Now let's assume I want to install the package name called Jenkins. Okay, now I will go and first check whether this Jenkins are available or not. I will go and check. Okay, allow me some time. I am logging into my AWS mission. I think yesterday I haven't. So this is the way. Yesterday I forgotten to shut down my mission. But be careful guys. So switching to the root user, fine. So now I will find the package name called Jenkins. Even yesterday we checked already. It's not available. See, if you go and check yum repo list, so currently there are 3 repositories available. Okay, 3 repos are integrated. These are the remote repositories or central repositories. These 3, from these 3 repos, this is the package who requested from the DevOps team. So this package is not available in these 3 repos. So then he will come up with the steps. Okay, I have already steps to configure this Jenkins. Okay, let me check. Yes, Jenkins installation. Yeah, so add the Jenkins repository using the following commands, then you can. Okay, so let me copy this and I will explain. So he will come up with like these steps. Okay, we'll try. So generally if you want to download a file, okay, so you can use the wget command. Fine. So I want to download something into my system, you can use the wget command. Okay, so this is the command to download guys. So let me try this command and we will see. Okay, execute this command. Okay, command not found. Okay, see, sometimes you will be getting this error. What is the message here? Wget command not found. Okay, so let me try to list this wget from the packages. Yeah, see, this wget also one of the package, so it is not installed on your mission. That's why this command is not working. You can go and install it. Okay, you can go and install it, then it will work. Yum install wget. Okay, and press Y and install. Now it should work. Now this command should work. Copy, enter. See, now it's not thrown any error. Okay, so the downloaded 100% successfully downloaded. This is the size, all these details. Okay, fine. Now let me check the repo list again. See, now repo is came. Okay, repo is came. Now if you go on here configuration path /etc yum dot repo. Okay, so here you might see the jenkins.repo file. See, jenkins.repo file. That's it. The command is downloaded this file into this location. Then if the repository file available under this path, right, then your external repository is integrated with your local repository. That's it. Along with this, you have to execute one more command. Don't worry about this command. Just execute. We will discuss later. Okay, simply execute. That's it. Now you can list the package Jenkins. See, now it is available. That's it, guys. Now it is available on your mission. Okay, now let me try to install, but don't install the Jenkins. You can go with other packages. You can try a Docker. Okay, because Jenkins having so much data, 92 MB, but sometimes 500 MB it will show. So I am not going to install it. Okay, so you can try the Docker external repository. Okay, so these steps easily can find out from the Google also. How to set up the Docker repo in the RHEL mission. You can go and type. Then definitely these two commands you will see. You will see wget command and rpm import command. Okay. Then you can able to set up this. Then command verify the repo list. Then list out the package. That's it. Okay. List out the package. Getting, guys? Let me install. We'll see. Yum install Jenkins. Y. Okay, see, it is downloading now. After this it will be installing. Yes, that's it. Now let me verify yum list Jenkins again. See, now it is under installed. Okay, installed. For this Jenkins, right, Java is a dependency. You need to install Java also. Yum list Java. Let me search. Yeah, many Javas are available. You can take this 11, you can install Java 11. Okay, yum install this Java 11 -y. See, many libraries are dependencies for the Java. Okay, see, these all are dependencies for the Java. Okay, what is Java, guys? Anybody knows? Don't say Raj Java. Okay, it's a programming language. So who that Java is belongs to which team? Exactly. So programming language means it's application team, developers. Okay. So Java also installed. Now let me try to use one command. Okay, and I will see. Don't afraid with this command. We will discuss this command also. So currently Jenkins just be installed, but the services are not running. Okay. So now I am running this. I am trying to start the services. Okay. This is due to Java issue only. Anyhow, later we will see. So this is the way you have to configure the external repository and install the packages, whatever the not available. Let me explain through MS Paint as well. Okay. And one more favor, guys. So if you are reading, if you are watching the YouTube videos, right? So whenever I'm explaining through MS Paint, right? Cut the screen and send the screenshots in the WhatsApp group. This will be referral. So easily you can do the revision with help of the screenshots. Okay. So anyhow, I'm sharing the recorded videos through YouTube, right? So while watching those, you just take the screenshot and send over the group. Okay. This will be very useful, guys. Fine. So request is they want to install the Jenkins. This is the package. In your Linux machine, okay, in your Linux machine, so already there is a remote repo configured. This is the remote repo, okay, or central repo, whatever you can use. Okay, so this is the remote repo. So here this Jenkins is not available. Okay, so here you have the local repo. When you are search the YUM list Jenkins, it's not available. That is the reason you taken another central repository or remote repository. This is the Jenkins repository. Okay, here Jenkins package is available. Now you can integrate this. Okay, you can integrate this. Then how to integrate means same /etc yum dot repos dot d. Here you can configure that file called Jenkins repo. Jenkins dot repo. Okay, so this is the configuration file. So you can integrate this file here. You can download this file here. Then Jenkins repository will be available. Then automatically all packages whatever here all should be available here. That's it. Then you can go and install it. And you have to download key also. The key nothing but is the authentication purpose, guys. While downloading from external site to your local machine, right? So this is the key you have to use. That is the reason I imported one key called this one. This one I imported, right? This is the command rpm-import. This one. Okay. Sometimes in interview they will ask, do you know how to set up the external repo? Yes, there is a configuration directory. So there you have to download the repository file, then key as well. Then it should work with your external configuration files. Then again cross question. What is the content of that repository file? Okay. What is the content of the file? This is the content. Okay. This file, right? Sorry. Jenkins.repo file. What it contains means it contains the configuration details of the this repo. What is the configuration means? It contains repo ID. Then it contains few key and value pair, key and values, name, okay, base URL, okay, then GPG key, okay, then these are the things. GPG key and GPG check also, okay, GPG key enabled or disabled GPG check. Okay, so this is the thing. What is the repo name? Jenkins is the repo name. Jenkins repo is the repo name, and this address https colon slash slash from where it is coming from, the URL of the Jenkins. Then this Jenkins GPG key 1, it means enabled. Okay, so you can pass the GPG key here also. This URL, right? This URL HTTP, this key information is available, right? This key also you can add here, key details, or you explicitly you can copy, explicitly you can import the keys as well. Okay, sometimes interviewers intentionally they will ask this question: what is the content of the? In the similar way, you can go and grab the Docker repo. You can go and set the Docker repo also. This Docker repo also same repo ID. Okay, name, then base URL, then GPG check. You can go and set up this, guys. You can go and set up this. You can Google it. Easily will find. Okay, set up it and let me know. Fine. So this is what we have done. That's it. Okay, let me uninstall that Java 11 and we'll try to install another Java and I will try to start the service. Okay, so yum remove Java 11, I think. See, 517 MB is there. This Java 11. Okay, I'm removing the Java. Fine. And let me list the Java again, or Java 8. Java 8 star or Java star. Yeah. Java, oh sorry, 1.8. Okay, sorry. Vim install 1.8, Java 1.8. Installing. So these are the compatibilities, guys. Sometimes if you want to, even your application, main application also having so many dependencies and compatibilities as well. Okay, that is their headache, application team headache. You don't bother about the application. What is your role? Just you can assist to the people, that's it. You don't deep dig into the application things and all. Of course, if you have interest, you can gain the knowledge from application as well. That will be improve your knowledge as well as your pay also. Okay, that those are all additional extra skills. Okay, systemctl status Jenkins. Currently it is failed. Now let me start. Oh, then one more Java I need to install. Okay, fine. Anyhow, I am removing this Java also. So these are the commands, guys. So this is the very important activity. Sometimes you will get a request some third party softwares also. What is meaning of third party? Sometimes you will get a request to install third party softwares. Okay, so here Third party software in the sense it's a non OS or some application dependencies softwares. Okay, so they want to install this package here. They want to install. Okay, so 90% people are going with this remote repository. They have to place the package here. Otherwise, nobody install that. But still, some third packages, right? They want to install. Like there is a patrol. There is a software called patrol. This is a kind of monitoring tool. This one. Okay. So this here. So there is no patrol repository. Okay. So here package is not available, but still they want to install. That time you can ask a requester to, okay, you can ask this requester to provide the AIG. Okay, AIG in the sense application installation guide. Okay, you should ask them provide the AIG, then they will provide how to install this package, how to start the services, how to validate, and even how to roll back, uninstall also. Everything they will provide in the AIG. Then don't blindly install this, follow this AIG and install. You should ask approval also, because if this package AIG straightforward, they will provide. But if this, if you are following, if you are executing these AIG steps, right, then it may be impacting on your server. So that is the reason validations are required every time, each and every time. So straight away ask them to get approval from whom, guys? Managers. That's it. Managers are server owners. That's it. Or application leads sometimes. Heads, application heads, or application leads, server owners, your managers, whoever. Okay. If they are selling, if they are telling, okay, go on proceed means, then you can follow and install and validate them. That's it. Okay. So remember this word also, AIG, application installation guide. Okay. Fine. And I will give one more task. The same how we used YUM, right, on RHEL. Okay. So you can go and install Ubuntu EC2 instance. Okay. You can terminate this RHEL box. Then try to install Ubuntu. Okay. This is the Ubuntu operating system. You can select like 22.x version or 20, whatever available for the free tier. You can go and install and try with the APT commands. I will share you. Okay, are you okay with this? Fine. Then similar way, go and set up the external repo. This is your practice, guys. Today how many people connected for practice? Sadia? Fine. Now we will see some interesting topics. Not technically. So shall I ask one question to everyone? So you all people don't know each other, right? Shall we go with the shell intro? Self introduction. Okay. So go ahead, Balu. Yeah, thank you, Balu. Yeah, Pavani, Pavani, are you there? You are on mute. If maybe you are speaking, you are on mute. Unmute and talk. Okay, fine. Harish, very good. Thank you. Anil, yeah, thanks. Great, Anil. Then who else? Mansur, go ahead, man. Mansur not in the call. Okay. Varlakshmi, will you introduce yourself? Okay, fine. I, where is this Sudhakar? Sudhakar not at all joining, right? Okay, Sadia having mic issue. Why can't you log in with your mobile and tell introduction? Sadia, fine. So this is very important question. So 50%, okay. So people are rejecting with this self intro only. See, job nothing but a interview only. Correct? Your job. All people are trying for the job only, right? Okay. The main agenda is our course agenda is job only, right? So job nothing but a there is a technical discussion between yourself and the interviewer. From company side, they will assign one buddy. He will take the technical discussion. He will take a technical discussion with you. Then he will promote to the company. That's it. That is nothing but a job. Okay. So here between yourself and that guy, right? Around 30 minutes discussion. Okay. The first question. This is only self intro. 50% guys, I am sure, I am telling that 50% profiles will be rejecting with the self intro only. If this guy is genius, right? He don't waste his time. Okay, with the help of the self intro only, he will come to know about you. Okay, so very important thing. Not only for the job, even after, see, after you crossed this line. Okay, you crossed this job interviewer line. Again, you will be onboarding to your company, right? So team introduction. The first day, the manager will introduce you to the team, right? So that time also they will ask. So briefly introduce yourself. That time also all other buddies also will come to know about yourself. If you are strongly, if you are confidently speaking means, then they will give some respect. Okay, fine. So first question is this way, very important thing. Okay. So here we are professionals, right? we are learning the professional course and we will be a professionals in future. So you must go with the professionalism. Okay. So here I will tell you what are the things you have to don'ts. Okay. So these are the don'ts, guys. You never ever do this. Okay. So don'ts, then do's. Okay. So first thing, don't tell your name and don't you are coming from something, coming from some word you are using, right? You never ever used these type of things in your self intro. Okay. And don't tell your educational background. Okay. And don't tell your hobbies. Okay. And don't tell your college projects. Okay. Because we are experienced guys. In end of the course I will explain briefly. Okay. I will take the dedicated sessions, okay, on this everything, but just for interesting purpose only I am adding in between. Okay. Then how to, what are those? Okay. So instead of starting your self intro with your name, you can start with well. Well, then immediately you can start with your experience and your company details. Then you can explain your project, the real time project details. Don't worry, I will tell you all these details in future. Okay. Then your roles and responsibilities in your project. Okay. So roles and responsibilities on your project, then your technical skills. Okay. Then conclusion. Thanks for this giving this opportunity. Okay. End of the intro, you can tell, you can wish them, you can say thanks to them. Okay. Formally you should explain your self intro. Okay. So this is the way guys, remember. And now, so far, so what are projects, the companies, you can take any MNC as of now. Okay. You know, right, for a few MNC companies. Then you can go and search the Linux projects or real-time projects. Just title you can get from the Google. Okay. Then roles and responsibilities. What are the roles and responsibilities? So far, technically, whatever we discussed, right? User management, installation, or some basic commands, and server details. All those are roles and responsibilities. Along with this, if you have any other technical knowledge, like AWS knowledge, you know how to set up the account in AWS, you know how to create the server. Those also come to the technical, and your future plans also. Wherever you interested technically, okay, those all comes under your technical skills. Then conclude it. So will you prepare guys tomorrow? I will ask same questions to everyone. Wonderful. You done great job today. So immediately, spontaneously you replied, right? That is fantastic. But tomorrow you can follow this guide and try to prepare. Then tomorrow I will ask the same question. You should give. Are you okay with this? Fine. Thank you guys. So that's it for today.